Soothing autoimmune disease with these vegetables. Sweet potatoes stand out as nature's anti-inflammatory powerhouse, packed with nutrients that bolster the body's defenses against autoimmune reactions. Their rich beta-carotene content, a precursor to vitamin A, plays a crucial role in enhancing immune function and reducing inflammation. Spinach, the green superfood, offers profound benefits for those grappling with autoimmune conditions. Its high levels of antioxidants and essential nutrients work synergistically to soothe inflammation and support the immune system, making it a must-have in any health-conscious diet. Broccoli emerges as the cruciferous champion in the fight for autoimmune relief. Its significant levels of sulforaphane not only help detoxify the body but also reduce inflammation, providing a natural remedy for autoimmune sufferers seeking to alleviate their symptoms. Garlic, known for its pungent flavor, doubles as a formidable fighter against autoimmune reactions. Its allicin content is responsible for its immune-boosting properties, helping to fend off infections and mitigate autoimmune responses with regular consumption. Ginger, the root remedy, offers a spicy solution for reducing autoimmune symptoms. Its bioactive compounds, such as gingerol, possess potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, making it an invaluable ally in calming autoimmune conditions and promoting overall well-being. Kale stands out in the leafy green family, particularly for its ability to cool inflammation, a common enemy for those battling autoimmune conditions. Its rich nutrient profile, including vitamins A, C, and K, plays a crucial role in supporting the body's natural defense mechanisms. Turmeric has long been celebrated in traditional medicine for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, making it a golden spice for easing autoimmune disorders. The active compound, curcumin, offers significant health benefits, including reducing inflammation and potentially mitigating autoimmune symptoms. Carrots are not just a crunchy snack but also a beta-carotene powerhouse, which is essential for autoimmune health. The body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, supporting the immune system and helping maintain mucosal surfaces, a first line of defense against pathogens. Beets, with their deep crimson color, are more than just a vibrant addition to the plate. They're packed with nutrients that act as a cure for autoimmune inflammation. Their high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties help protect the body from autoimmune reactions. Avocado, a fatty fruit, is a formidable fighter against autoimmune flare-ups. Its healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, play a key role in reducing inflammation and supporting overall immune function, offering a delicious and nutritious way to combat autoimmune conditions. Cabbage is not just a versatile vegetable in the kitchen, it's a gut-healing hero. Its high content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants makes it a powerful ally for maintaining autoimmune wellness, promoting a balanced and healthy immune system. Mushrooms stand out as a unique defense mechanism against autoimmune diseases. Their ability to modulate the immune system, thanks to bioactive compounds like beta-glucans, positions them as a fungal force in the fight for better health. Zucchini, with its high nutrient profile and anti-inflammatory properties, offers more than just culinary versatility. This squash plays a critical role in alleviating autoimmune symptoms, making it a staple for those seeking to manage their condition naturally. Brussels sprouts, the tiny titans packed with vitamins and minerals, are making their mark in the autoimmune community. Their ability to tackle autoimmune issues head-on, thanks to their high antioxidant content, makes them a must-have on any health-conscious plate. Asparagus is more than just a side dish, it's a powerful spear against autoimmune attacks. Its rich array of nutrients helps to strengthen the immune system, offering a natural line of defense for those facing autoimmune challenges. Cauliflower is not just another vegetable in your salad, it's a white warrior in the fight against autoimmune diseases. Its rich supply of antioxidants, including vitamin C and manganese, helps reduce inflammation and bolster the immune system, offering a natural line of defense. Peppers, with their vibrant colors, are not merely for adding a splash of color to your dishes, they are powerful combatants against autoimmune challenges. Rich in vitamins A and C, they support immune function and have anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate symptoms. Onions, often underestimated, are pungent protectors of autoimmune health. Their sulfur compounds and flavonoid antioxidants can help reduce inflammation and boost immune health. Including onions in your diet might offer a simple, yet effective strategy for managing autoimmune conditions. Swiss chard stands as a leafy guardian against autoimmune damage, with its wealth of nutrients such as vitamins A, C, and K. These components not only fight inflammation but also strengthen the body's natural defenses, making it a valuable ally. Pumpkin, the seasonal soldier, brings more than just festive cheer. Its high beta-carotene content converts to vitamin A in the body, which is essential for immune health and can soothe autoimmune struggles by reducing inflammation and supporting the immune response. Artichokes stand as a thistle with a mission, emerging as a powerful ally in the fight against autoimmune disorders. Their rich content of antioxidants and fiber plays a critical role in detoxifying the body, pushing back against inflammation and bolstering immune health. Cucumbers, with their crisp and refreshing nature, serve as cool crusaders in the realm of autoimmune wellness. Their hydrating properties and valuable nutrients help soothe the body's inflammatory responses, providing a gentle yet effective support system for combating autoimmune conditions.